So the second step of post-processing methods, that is sanding. So once you have removed your support, there will be some marks and we want to remove that mark, so we use sanding. Apart from support removal, sanding is the most common form of post-processing methods. Generally, FDM 3D printers can have a slightly rough surface and sanding is the easiest way to smooth it. Here you can see in both the diagrams, the upper component has slightly rough surface, but after the sanding, the surface has been cleaned or finished. The sanding has to be carried out in successive stages, starting from a low grit sandpaper, usually 150 grits. That means depends on how much the rough is on the component. Firstly, we will remove the big rough from the component and by using high grit size sandpaper, and then when small particles has been removed, then we will use high grit sandpapers like 400 grit, 600 grit for getting smoother and finer surfaces. Whenever we do sanding, there will be always a friction between sandpaper and surface, and these generates heat, which could have a negative effect on the fine features of the print, especially with high sensitive filaments. So to avoid these friction, to avoid these scratches, to avoid generating heat, we use wet type of sanding also, and this we use liquid, and those liquid will absorb the excess heat and there will be no heat and there will be no harmful effect because of heat. So depending on the condition, we use wet sanding, dry sanding or blast sanding. Thank you. If you want to learn 3D printing from design to finished product, you can join the full course. This course consists 50 plus video lectures and course is divided in so many modules. You can check the detailed information in description box. In this course, along with video lectures, you will get quizzes, assignments and notes. After the completion of the course, you will get authorized certificate which can be useful for your academic or job interviews. So click to the link present in description box and start your 3D printing journey now.